If you're a parent, you're probably concerned about your children from the time that you found out you were having one until you pass away, because your kids are always your kids. So many people have been asking me to do more videos on my Hyena Trust, and the peace of mind that the Hyena Trust gives parents and grandparents is as follows. After you're gone, and you've done everything you can to protect your child, to build up an estate and do a great asset management plan and a financial plan and an estate plan to leave money to your children, then you lose control over it. And not because we need to always control the money from our children, although sometimes that happens. The bigger picture is that there are things that your children can get involved in that are outside of their control, namely lawsuits and divorce. And I tell people all the time, unless your kids are all priests and nuns and maybe never going to get married, they have the same statistical probability of getting divorced as anybody else, which, if you believe the statistics, are over 50% in this country, and probably not going to get better over time. So if you have concerns about what happens after you're gone, what if my child gets sued? What if they get divorced? In a divorce, they could lose arguably 50% of their inheritance. In a lawsuit, they could lose 100% of it. The Hyena Trust is designed to have the money never go into your children's names, but it stays in your trust even for decades after you pass away. And so if they ever get sued, they get a judgment, and then they are required under oath to list all of the bank accounts, investment accounts, and retirement accounts that is in their name, this never even hits the radar. And secondly, because it is never in their name, it can't be commingled with marital assets. And so it really diminishes any arguments that this should be considered a marital asset in case of a divorce. So if you are concerned about your kids today, and you're going to be concerned about your kids after you pass away, the Hyena Trust is a good opportunity to provide that downstream asset protection and peace of mind, so that everything that you have worked so hard to build and save and to pass down to the next generation makes it more likely it'll stay there. So if you have any more questions on this, send me a comment or click on the bio and schedule a free consultation to talk about the Hyena Trust. Have a great day.